Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Altima headlight bulb easy guide. Begin by parking safely, opening the hood, and locating the headlight assembly on the side you are replacing. Disconnect the battery if desired, remove the retaining clips or screws, and pull the bulb socket straight out. Replace with the correct bulb type, secure the socket, test the light, and reassemble the trim before closing the hood. Use gloves or a clean cloth to avoid touching the glass of halogen bulbs and reduce risk of oil causing premature failure. Check your owner's manual for the correct bulb part number and recommended tools. Consider replacing both bulbs to maintain even illumination and check headlight aim after installation to avoid blinding other drivers. If access is tight, remove the battery or air intake for space and keep screws organized for quick reassembly. Verify bulb compatibility with vehicle electrical system. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The product you see here is the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading in a garage or on a break between repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals related to tools and gear. Thanks for the support and patience. Now let's get back to the video. In a few simple steps, you can replace the bulb quickly and confidently while minimizing mistakes. First, remove the bulb socket cover and unplug the connector, then rotate the bulb counterclockwise and pull it free. Insert the new bulb without touching the glass, rotate to lock, reconnect the wiring, and replace any covers or trims. Finally, turn on the headlights, confirm operation, and adjust aim if necessary. Allow the light to warm for a minute and recheck alignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.